Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Jovi, and for today's video guys, I'm on my lunch break, and because I work across the road from the shopping center, yeah, I just come here and chill, and sometimes window shopping, and if if I find something, then you buy it. But for today's video, I thought that it's Monday, actually guys, it's Monday, and I thought I'm going to create some content for my channel, and I decided to actually do a video of what I wear to work for a week. So I say 5 days guys, because I work Monday to Friday. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing right now. I've got my jacket because it's my company jacket, because it's a bit cold, but the sun is up, which is good. Yeah, so as you can see, maybe not, but behind me is H&M. So I'm just gonna go in there and I'm gonna show you my look for today, and my outfit for today. Yeah, so I'm gonna do it for the rest of the week. This will be really exciting because I love dressing up and showing you guys what I'm wearing. So yeah, see you guys in a bit. So this is my Monday look guys. I've just got this green dress and paired it with my sling bags, and also I've got my Givenchy Antigona bag in medium, small, I don't know, I'm not sure about the sizing, but yeah, so that's what it looks like. And also, yeah, I've got my glasses on guys, because I'm trying not to wear my contact lenses every single day to give my eyes some rest. Yeah, so that's why I'm wearing my glasses. But yeah, that's about it. So yeah guys, I'll see you tomorrow for yeah, more outfit. Bye. Good morning guys, it is Tuesday, so this is what I'm wearing today. I just came down to grab my coffee. Yeah, so I'm wearing my black heels and just this short dress, because why not? And also I've got my cutie little bag today to pair with my little dress. And also this is the bangle I'm wearing. I don't really take this off, but this green one I just added today. Good morning guys. Happy Wednesday. So you might be wondering why this is my look for today. So I actually work from home every Wednesday, so that's why I am home today, and obviously I'm just wearing comfortable clothes. Yeah, so I just get up, and actually Paris is still in bed, and yeah, so I'm gonna start working downstairs. I've got my little setup downstairs. Yeah, so I just came here to show you my look, because that's what this video is for. So I said I'm filming a video of what I wore to work for in a week. So yeah, you go, excuse the toilet bowl. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for my Thursday's outfit. Hi guys, happy Thursday. So it's the 5th of September, and this is what I'm wearing today. So as you can see guys, I'm rocking the pastel color because it's September now guys. It's supposed to be spring here in Australia now. It doesn't matter because even if it's spring, winter, summer, I always love pop of colors guys. So as you can see, I've got pink blazer and my, I don't know, turquoise color handbag. So that's what I'm wearing. And also I've got my slingback Dior pumps. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing today. So I'm going to come back tomorrow for the last outfit of the week, working week I mean. Yep, see you guys. Hi guys, happy Friday. So we're down to our last outfit guys. So it is Friday and it's the last working day of the week. I just want to show you my outfit for today guys. So I've got this raspberry color pants from, where did I get this one? From Shake. It's an Australian brand guys. And also I've got this black top with a siya. Char na siya guys. Magtuoda na guys. And again, I'm using my black Antigona handbag because I love to pair it with this look guys. And also I've got my wedge, my nude wedge. Yes, my heart and peg. So I'm on my way to work now guys, and yeah, I thought I'm gonna show this to you, and I really hope that you like this kind of video because I love
Okay.
But yeah guys, I hope that you like it, and if you have any requests, video that you want me to do, please do let me know. And also guys, you might be wondering why I wear like this and the previous outfit that I wore to work. I work in an office environment guys, and sometimes it's not sometimes, always, you always make sure that you dress up because you never know who you'll bump into that day. So it's good that you actually put your best foot forward guys, because we all know that first impression lasts. So when people see you, like she dresses good, she dresses herself well, then it's a good impression. And yeah, so there you go guys, that's it for our video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and yeah guys, I'll see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Be careful. Bye.